long time because I am try to take your class very punctually and regularly. But meanwhile, we both are instructed to join workshop, other research program which are also integral to your curriculum. So we sometime move, but now we are here with you. Let us we start our class today. As usually we divide class in the 4 part. So now the part is reverse. Today we talk about the basic concept of scientific research in class part A. Still we are only 40, so I am little bit waiting a minute because these are the very crucial concept of research. If you are able to grasp these all things, so a problem of MCQ is removed and the concept is clear, and now you have beneficial hand in your pocket to write your thesis and do your research. So what is scientific research and why we have to talk about the scientific research? If we remove the science from the research become useless and sometimes dead. Because in a research definition, you say the art and science of knowing the truth about the topic and problem which you are assigned to do a research. So research is basically a big task to know the truth with the help of science. And you are aware that science is a study of fact, logic with empirical data and very systematic. And the flow of scientific study is as you can start with a certain methods and binding up with a certain methods, and science is open for everybody who can verify your research and go through your research, how you conducted the research. So there is a lot of transparency, and methods and system is make the thing easier for everybody, and that is the noble cause of research. In a scientific research, we talk about the 3 main pillars of scientific research. That is logical inference. In scientific research, if there is no logic, there is no scientific research. Second is methods. So as I told you, methods are common to all kind of research, either scientific research, historical research, or any type of research. Methods are common, and method are what? Method are science. So that's why no research would be completed and even dream to start your research without taking help of methods. So in a scientific research, there are 3 pillars. One is logical inference, second is methods, and third is reliability and validity. So we talk about all, but I try to make you people attune towards the research. And if first go, if we talk about the research, any subject you cannot understand fully. So in the second go, in a revision, in a repetition, you can better understand. So in a scientific research, there are 3 pillars. One is logical inference, second is methods, and third is reliability and validity. You are aware about all these, but for sake of your interest, I will elaborate little bit. Logical inference, that means you say something by logic. Suppose You put HCl, this give this test. 2 into 2 is a 4. So that's a logic. Thus this radius is bigger than that, so area is bigger. So hotter, so its temperature is high. So logically you told some relationship which is true. To understand by physical